Hey there, if you're watching this, chances are things between you and someone you care about have felt a little off lately. Maybe it's your partner, your best friend, or even a family member. Conversations feel shorter, moments feel colder, and you're wondering, where did the spark go? First of all, take a breath, you're not alone. Every relationship, no matter how close or connected, goes through phases where the distance creeps in. Life gets busy, stress builds up, and before you know it, the connection starts to fade. But here's the good news. You can bring the spark back, and it's not as complicated as you might think. One of the biggest things that leads to emotional distance: assumptions. We assume the other person is okay. We assume they're mad. We assume we know what they're thinking. And often, we're completely wrong. The antidote? Open communication. I know, it sounds simple, but it's powerful. Try this. Ask, how have you been feeling lately? Or, is there anything you wish we talked about more? Those questions can open the door to real, honest connection again. Another way to reignite the spark: revisit your shared memories. Talk about your favorite moments together. Watch that movie you both love. Go back to that place you used to hang out at. Sometimes, just remembering why you clicked in the first place can relight the flame. And don't underestimate the little things. A genuine compliment, a random thinking of you message, a surprise coffee or hug. These small acts show the other person, I still care, I still choose you. That's what builds connection, day by day. So if you're feeling distant, don't panic. Relationships aren't perfect. They're human, but with a little intention, a little effort, and a lot of heart, you can get that closeness back. And now I want to hear from you. What's one thing that prevents you from having open communication with someone you care about? Drop it in the comments. You never know who you might help just by sharing.